grow with getting some kind of showers or rain.
It's incredible, right? Hashtag Miracle May. A little bit, everything that we can get, we'll take. In fact, it's definitely impacting the commute, and we'll see some scattered showers throughout the afternoon today. 3 Fridays in a row, nothing like the past 2 Fridays. Remember last Friday I was here with Megan. Yeah, we've got some scattered showers, but most of it amounting to about ½ an inch or so. Where we get the heaviest downpours, most places will get about 1/4 inch. 50s as we start the morning. These are upper 50s, and this with this low pressure system right over us. We'll get the system bringing us some light scattered showers. We call them the garden variety. So they pop up in different locations. It's not one frontal system coming on through. It's centered right over us. Windy conditions, especially for our deserts through the afternoon. And as we continue with rain futurecast, let's show you spotty and isolated. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can still see it's still coming down right along the 15, parts of the 8 if you're traveling out of town, headed east, or if you're headed up north, even just going home from your commute, you'll see some of those scattered showers. 7 p.m. same story. Pat Brown will be tracking the showers this afternoon, but then as we go through tomorrow morning, we'll still have a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms possible. Again, rainfall totals up to about 4/10, ½ an inch of rain where we get some heavy downpours and rather windy. I'll have the seasonal where we're at with our rainfall season to date so far. With the system moving on through, it's a good chance we could be about under an inch with our rainfall total season to date, but we're still on 4 years of drought. So yeah, we need a whole lot more. 7-day forecast, a few scattered showers early tomorrow morning. Notice Sunday and into Monday, we're starting to dry out back to 70 near the coast. That's closer to average. Our inland numbers are warming up a little bit more, but we'll still have the marine layer to help keep us a little bit cool through the weekend. So yeah, at least we won't have the rain. It'll start to warm up a little bit, but still remaining a little bit cool. Here's Natasha with the Morning Commute.
Well, some rain is what